Hi, I'm Robyn,
And I'm Will.
and we're moving into our Keystone Build on Your Land home. Will and I were really excited to see all the finishes come together in our home. We hoped it would feel less like a house and more like a home, especially once the power was turned on and the landscaping was installed.
Seeing the final product absolutely met our expectations. There were moments where I started to question some of the color choices we made, wondering how everything would look together in the end. But when I saw the finished result, everything pulled together so well. Even the things I second-guessed turned out great.
Watching everything come together really solidified those decisions for us. There were some surprises along the way, though. The final inspections were way more thorough than I expected. It was a little frustrating at times, but it was reassuring to know everything was being checked so carefully. In the long run, it's for the best.
As we got closer to orientation and closing, excitement really took over. At that point, we were eager to move in. There was a lot to learn about operating the systems in the house. Having a well and septic system was completely new for us, so that was an interesting experience.
Now that we're preparing to move in, we're most excited about seeing how the furniture fits in each space. Decorating is going to be a lot of fun. The large kitchen and outdoor living spaces are especially exciting for us. Those are going to be game changers for how we enjoy our home.